In this video, we will compare two exciting drones. The 108 OP-FPV Foldable drone, perfect for beginners and kids, and the 2KHD FPV drone, designed for adults and more experienced users. We will explore their features, usability, and overall value to help you decide which drone is the best fit for you. The 1080p FPV foldable drone is priced at just $69 US, making it an affordable option for beginners and kids. In contrast, the 2KHD FPV drone is priced at $89 US, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the higher price may deter some, it offers enhanced performance for adult users. The 1080p FPV foldable drone comes equipped with essential features such as voice gesture control, one-key takeoff and landing, and optical flow positioning, making it user-friendly for beginners. On the other hand, the 2KHD FPV drone boasts advanced features like altitude hold, speed adjustment, and 2 batteries, catering to more experienced users looking for versatility and better performance. The 1080p FPV foldable drone is designed with beginners in mind, featuring simple controls and a foldable design for easy transport. It's perfect for kids and those new to flying drones. In contrast, the 2KHD FPV drone is tailored for adults, offering more complex controls and advanced features that enhance the flying experience, making it suitable for hobbyists and enthusiasts. In conclusion, both drones offer unique advantages depending on the user's experience level. The 1080p FPV foldable drone is an excellent choice for beginners and kids, while the 2KHD FPV drone provides advanced features for adult users. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.